Is your brain's operating system ready for the AI revolution? Or is it running on outdated code that leaves you feeling more like AI's intern than its master? Forget just using AI. It's time to install an upgraded self-confidence formula, a mental software patch directly inspired by Napoleon Hill, specifically designed to make you the undisputed commander of this powerful new reality. First, install this core belief. Your definite purpose now intrinsically includes mastering and ethically directing AI. You're not timidly asking AI for help. You are demanding of yourself persistent, continuous action to command it as your indefatigable tool. This isn't a suggestion. It's your new prerogative of command. Next, upgrade your visualization protocol. Daily, see yourself as the sovereign thinker. You are the strategist, the visionary, the final human ethicist. AI generates options. AI analyzes data. AI executes tasks, but your mind provides the unique vision and makes the final, authoritative decision. This isn't about outsourcing your thinking. It's about amplifying its reach while retaining full control. Then, burn this into your psyche. Unwavering faith in your own discernment. Cultivate the self-confidence that you can distinguish a brilliant AI-generated insight from a plausible-sounding hallucination. It's the unshakable belief that your mind, your judgment, not the machine, stays firmly in charge of the narrative and the ultimate outcome. And critically, in a world overflowing with AI-generated possibilities and algorithmically fueled distractions, your clearly defined, written-down, definite aim becomes your essential rudder. This is the unwavering filter through which you command your AI, protecting you from being tossed aimlessly on the waves of digital noise, ensuring its power serves your precise direction. Finally, embed this ethical prime directive. Every action you take with AI, every system you build, must be for the net benefit of all whom it affects. This is your personal internal regulation, the moral compass that, if universally adopted, makes restrictive top-down control of AI unnecessary. Installing this mental upgrade isn't just about feeling good, it's about fundamentally recoding your approach to ensure that as AI grows more powerful, so too does your mastery over it, securing your place not as a bystander, but as a confident architect of the AI-driven future.